Hi all, welcome to the new session. I am VC from VC's Academy. In today's class, we will discuss about Phycomycetes. So this belongs to fungi kingdom. So what are Phycomycetes and what are all included in this we will see. Before going into the class, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all my videos as notifications. Okay, let's go into the class. Phycomycetes. Class Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. So where we can find Phycomycetes? Phycomycetes are mainly found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist places and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. And Phycomycetes are also called as algal fungi. So what is the other name for Phycomycetes? It is also called as algal fungi. And when we see the mycelium in Phycomycetes, it is aseptate and cenocytic. And asexual reproduction takes place by two ways. If it is by motile, it is zoospores, and non-motile, aplanospores. So what are all here? Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying woods which are in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. Phycomycetes are also called as algal fungi, and mycelium, if we observe, it is aseptate and cenocytic. And coming to the sexual mode of reproduction, it takes place by zoospores which are motile or by aplanospores which are non-motile. Spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. So we know about what's meant by endogenously and exogenously. So spores here in Phycomycetes are produced in sporangium itself. And zygospores are formed by fusion of two gametes. Here zygospores are formed by fusion of two gametes. These gametes may be similar or dissimilar. So the gametes which are similar are called as isogamous and which are dissimilar are called as anisogamous or oogamous. Mucor, Rhizopus and Albugo are some common examples. Spores are produced endogenously in the sporangium and zygospores are formed by fusion of two gametes. The gametes may be similar or dissimilar. Similar ones we call as isogamous, dissimilar ones we call as oogamous or anisogamous. And coming to the examples of Phycomycetes, Mucor, Rhizopus and Albugo are the common examples. Hope you all are understanding the concept and you are getting the points easily. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for now, and in the next classes we will see about the other classes of fungi.